Action session of our course Aircraft Propulsion. So, as you know, that we have entered into this course and we are interacting for initially what are the different types of engines, and then we are specifically going into the working cycle of the aircraft engine, which is mainly the Brayton cycle. So, this is a part of current course which is undergoing, and you are nicely having it through your videos. Now, if you have any questions, queries related to the part which is under discussion, please let me know. You may type in the chat box or as well have your audio and let me know. We know that the aircraft engines have different parts. First part is compressor, then we have combustion chamber, then we have turbine, and then we have nozzle. These parts, every part separately is an entity. Integratedly, the engine undergoes a thermodynamic cycle, and that cycle is represented by Brayton cycle, which is comprising of four processes. In the compressor, the process is isentropic compression. In the combustion chamber, process is isobaric heat addition. In the turbine, process is isentropic expansion. And then we have the constant pressure heat rejection, which is presumed that the gas is coming with the same mass flow rate at the inlet. And then there are different attachments to the Brayton cycle so that we can improve its efficiency, work output as per our requirement. Please let me know if you have any questions and queries about this part which is currently going on through lectures. The components like compressors and turbines will be discussed separately in due course of time in the course. Plus, we also have discussion separately on the engines in this course. So this course has three to four distinct parts. Very first part is the thermodynamic cycle and all the attachments of this thermodynamic cycle for the engine. First part, second part is aircraft engines, and third part is different components of aircraft engine. And then fourth part, minorly, it is also covered with the point that there are certain facilities and certain uh, discussion points related to this course. But these are at gross four parts of this course. But at this moment, interaction session is for the part which is getting covered to the lectures. Please let us know if you have any questions and queries. In the initial part of our course, we did discuss about certain efficiencies of the engine, like propulsive efficiency, certain height requirements, and certain altitude constraints of certain engines before directly going towards the part of Brayton cycle. If you have any questions, please let us know so that we can have possible answers known to you over here or through the our routine portal of discussion. As what we have seen that beyond the basic Brayton cycle, it has an attachment as intercooler. And in the intercooler attachment, we cool the air which is getting compressed. And that way we reduce the amount of work input for the cycle. So the necessary fact, what happens with having the intercooling is that the intercooling reduces the work input and hence increases the net work output of the cycle. Similarly, we have one more attachment which is called as reheater. And reheater is necessarily used to increase the work output of the turbine. Here, the two types of turbines will be used, high pressure and low pressure turbines. And then the gas coming out of high pressure turbine will be again heated to certain temperature. Most of the time, the temperature at the exit will be similar to the temperature at the combustion chamber outlet. And then that gas is again expanded in the low pressure turbine. So that way we will have two turbines and then network outputs would be increased in the case of reheater. So this is the gist of our course. Now, if you have any question, let us know. Beyond that, our portal is active where we are interacting with you. You may also post the questions over there. Okay, I will wait for a minute. If you have questions, please continue asking. Otherwise, we will continue on the interaction on the portal. Yes. Yes. I'm not able to hear. Is it she? If you are not, we are not able to hear you, you may please type in the chat.
Hello.
Yes, now I can hear you.
Sir, in intercooler and reheater, efficiency will increase, decrease, or it's remain same?
In the case of reheater, it depends. Efficiency may not increase always, since efficiency has work output divided by heat input. So work output increases, but heat input also increases. So in the case of reheater, there is no guarantee that efficiency will increase. Okay. So work output increment is an isolated fact. That doesn't mean that efficiency will always increase. We have to separately calculate and see. These equipments are reheater kind of equipments are not for increasing efficiency. They are mainly to increase the work output. I hope. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. In this book, I have one.
I'm not able to hear you properly. Please.
No, sir. Now it is clear. I am telling that in this only I have done.
Okay. I hope I have tried to give you answer and then your query is clear. Others may also join, and then if you have any questions, please ask us. Okay, so I hope that there are no more questions. So we will stop here. Thank you very much for your interaction.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.